Hi, I have a Kitchenaid dishwasher, KDTE404DSS0, and I'm trying to make sure I'm running the full-service diagnostic routine. I've got the press 1, 2, 3 buttons over and over until all the lights come on, but some tutorials say to then press the start key to advance the diagnostic cycle. But the controls are hidden when the door is closed.
Hello, sorry to hear you are having trouble. I'm Joel and will be glad to help you today. You do not need to press the start key on that model to make the auto diagnostic cycle start. Just do what you did and close the door and it will go through automatically. Turn the dishwasher off. Pick 3 buttons on the control panel, then press them in the following sequence: 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Each button must be pushed within 1 second. Afterwards all the lights on the control panel will light up, then the clean light will begin to flash. The flashing sequence will give you the error code. It does this by flashing in 2 stages. It will flash X amount of times, then pause 2 seconds, and flash Y amount of times, then pause 5 seconds and start over again. The stored error code will be the values of X and Y. Please take a quick second to rate my assistance. Directions are below if you don't know how. In order for me to get compensated for my time helping you, have to click on the star rating system, which is located at the top of your screen. If you are using a mobile phone, scroll to the bottom of the page and click the text "Rate the Expert" to finish. You will see a set of 5 empty stars. Clicking on the 5th star to the right is the highest rating. After rating, you can still get back to me if you need further assistance, as this question will remain in your My Questions list on the site. Thank you very much.
Alright, so next question, my error code is 624. This indicates the float switch. I have checked the float switch by itself and traced the signal onto the controller. When it's supposed to be closed, it is, and when it's supposed to be open, it is. Any thoughts on what else could cause this error to flag?
Here are all the troubleshooting steps to take for the 624 error. It's likely going to be the main control if the float switch checked out, but you can follow the steps below to find out. Click here for troubleshooting steps.
Can you please help me with a couple of more questions? 1. How do I clear the error codes? I did it once, and it had something to do with the high temp button, but I cannot repeat it. 2. After the error code is given, when it is going into calibration/diagnostic mode, it starts pumping water, and then stops, and then beeps, and then shuts off. It never completes the calibration/diagnostic mode.
Once you enter diagnostic mode and all the lights light up, press high temp key to clear customer error history. If high temp key does not respond, the control panel is in sleep mode. Open and close the door to wake up the control panel, and then press high temp to clear the customer error history. It sounds like you have open fuses on the triac. You will need a meter to test the control at the given pinouts as discussed in step 6. Below is the full tech sheet for that model so you can locate the pinouts on the board to test. Click here to open/download tech sheet.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.